If you guys have a 23 and up Ford Super Duty and you want an all-new grill, Morimoto just dropped the XBG. This grill is available in a chrome finish or a black finish like you see here. And thankfully you don't have to buy one or another for an amber or a white, because this one you can actually do both. There's a little pigtail on the backside and you can access it by unplugging it or plugging it back in to give you a different color. As you can see, it's daytime and it's still extremely bright. And Morimoto knows a thing or two about using some intelligent OSRAM LED chips inside of here to be super bright even in parking light mode. When I say it's super bright, it's super bright. One suggestion I have for you guys is if you want something that's going to be paint matched to your body, I would suggest getting the black grill versus the chrome grill, and that's just because it's more easy to paint. It's really easy to pop out the lights and then you can get it painted, or you can wrap it if you really want as well. But the coolest part is you don't have to actually paint it. So if you wanted that black grill like you see here, the black grill on the silver, in my opinion, looks really cool. If you want that, you can just slap it on right away and you don't actually have to paint it. It's UV resistant, and then there's polycarbonate lenses over top of the LEDs here. There's nothing more that I would recommend for your Super Duty. This is by far one of the coolest things to come out for the Super Duty. Now, I know you're thinking this isn't gonna work on your halogen truck, only the OEM LED, and that's very true. Morimoto is working, and I don't know if I'm gonna show a teaser in this video because I've worked really close with them. I know for a fact they're coming out with an all-new Morimoto headlight that's going to blow away all other headlights. So if you had a halogen truck and you purchased the Morimoto XBG LED headlights, it's going to work with this grill. This is a premature launch to something that's going to be super epic on the front end of the Super Duties. If you do have the higher trim models, this grill is going to be plug and play, no cutting, no splicing, and it's really simple. So if you want to upgrade the styling on your Super Duty and you want an all-new grill with integrated LEDs that are extremely bright, whether it's in daytime running light mode or parking light mode, go to headlightrevolution.com right now. We've got them listed and loaded on our website. We'll see you guys over there. And of course, this is a Super Duty. All we do is test lighting products for the Super Duty, and we want you to know about what's best first.